Bigyan natin ngayon ng reaction opinion itong post ni Kipi Chu 14 minutes ago. Bago-bago. The Manila Times claims that Gibo Teodoro is a European citizen with a Maltese passport. Malta ba yung bansa? Malta, part of European Union. If this is true, this is illegal and worrisome. Under Republic Act number 9225, the Citizenship Retention and Reacquisition Act of 2003, Section 5-2, dual citizens cannot be appointed to any public office in the government unless they renounce their foreign citizenship. His citizenship in the documents they obtain is until 2026. As the National Defense Secretary, it is not right that he has dual allegiance. Malta has diplomatic ties with NATO and European Union. This compromises the office of the National Defense as he has unbridled access to classified military intelligence and national defense strategies. We are living in the time where super takot tayo and careful about foreign interference, and the secretary must be trusted and credible. It can demoralize personnel and erode trust. Once you hold a passport of Malta, you are protected as a European Union citizen. Hindi lang siya concern ng Pilipinas. Concerned din siya ng ASEAN and other regional partners who share intelligence with us or have joint operation with us. Gibo Teodoro should clarify if he has ever given up his European Union citizenship, or if he has not, the decent thing to do would be to give up his position. This is a matter before the Supreme Court or the Senate to decide, but if Gibo respects our Constitution, he is still a European citizen, then the respectable thing to do is resign. Okay? So, ito, sinerch ko, meron ngang merong article ng Manila Times. So, yun. Itong Manila Times, marunong ito maghanap ng mga sources nilang ganito. Ito na yung Manila Times na article. Defense Chief has Maltese passport. Defense Secretary Gilberto Teodoro, the man who oversees the country's defense, military strategy, and national security, holds a passport from Malta, making him a dual citizen of the Philippines and that of a European country. Documents obtained by the Manila Times show that Teodoro was issued passport number kompleto. May passport number pa eh. Passport number 1259234 on December 22, 2016. Valid for 10 years. So hanggang 2026. Tama ba? The passport lists Teodoro's full name, Gilberto Eduardo Gerardo Cojuangco Teodoro Jr. Date of birth, June 14, 1964, and place of birth, Philippines. Under Philippine law and constitutional doctrine, dual citizenship is prohibited for public officials, particularly those with cabinet-level position. Legal experts warn that Teodoro's foreign citizenship may not only be a technical violation, but a serious breach of national security, with possible consequences ranging from disqualification to constitutional litigation. Ito, nandyan yung passport ni yun yung screenshot ng passport. Teodoro was appointed, anyway, Teodoro may have acquired. Paano niya nakuha yung citizenship ng Malta? may have acquired multi-citizenship through Malta's controversial Citizenship by Investment Program. Ganito, explain ko na lang. Kung may pera ako, mag-invest lang ako sa Malta, bibigyan na nila ako ng citizenship. So magkano ba yun? Ano? Tinawag nila Golden Passport. The Golden Passport system has been condemned by the European Union because it grants citizenship to wealthy foreigners in exchange for substantial financial investments. Report said Malta's scheme requires a minimum contribution of 600,000 euros, roughly 39.6 million pesos, to the Maltese government, the purchase of long-term lease of property, and a donation to charity. Ayan, 36 million. Wala akong perang ganyan kalaki. So, hindi ako pwedeng maging Maltese citizen. Anyway, report lang ito. So, it's up now to the Defense Secretary to clarify. So, hintayin natin ang response ng Defense Secretary tungkol dito. Okay? But I'm sure itong Manila Times hindi mag-publish ng ganyang article pag hindi kompleto ang kanilang ebidensya. Okay. So magbasa tayo sa mga comments. Kipicho, sabi niya, guys, para di tayo mapahiya, antayin natin reply ni Gibo sa Manila Times. Yun nga. I'm sure sasagutin ito ni Secretary Gibo Chodoro. Adrian Pascual, kung ayaw ko mag-work sa government dahil sa limitation na yan, like Hello 22, multiple passport. Franco Gablines, the position of Defense Secretary demands absolute loyalty to the Philippine state. Sadly, if true, it raises national security concerns. Again, allegations pa lang ito. Huwag po tayong humusga kagad. Hintayin natin ang official statement ni Secretary Gibo Chodoro.